Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. You all are welcome to my channel Ingenious Platform, and this is Honey, and I want to welcome you with my whole heart. So today's topic is all about the air dry clay. Means today's video I will tell you each and everything which is related to air dry clay, because so many people are not aware of the functions of air dry clay. Means they don't know what is air dry clay is. So today we will discuss all about the air dry clay. So these are some packets of air dry clay which I got, and I will give you the link in the description box. In the I button you can check from there, and then if you want this kind of clay, you can order from there. Okay, so these are the packets of clay, air dry clay, and these are some tools to make the things. Okay, before starting the video I would like to show you some things which is made up by the air dry clay. So let's So I hope you all like this. And I would like to tell you the characteristics of functions of air dry clay. So this is the packet of air dry clay, and the one more thing is which I made up with the help of air dry clay. You can see it, and after dry it you will not be able to make any kind of changes in the shape of the thing. Okay, because your model will become thicker and stronger after overnight. And what is the timing of the dryness? It will depend how thick your project or model is. Okay, so this is thick one, it is very thick, and you can see that it is around 1 inch. So it took overnight to dry. Okay, and now you can see that I make a hole with the help of a nail, iron nail, then I make it to make it hanging purpose. Okay, now I can hang it anywhere, wherever I want. And one more thing is there, I can color it properly. I can color with the help of the acrylic color. I also take fabric color to color it. Okay, if I want more and more shining. Okay, so this is one model which I made, right? So I would like to show you the consistency of air dry clay. Air dry clay will become hard if it touch the air as soon as possible. So before drying, it is the consistency of the air dry clay. You can change it, convert it into any form or any shape or any model. Before starting the modeling with this clay, you need to clean your hand properly, because you will not I know you will not like this thing that your model will become dirty with your dirty hands. Okay, so first of all, if you are using these clay, so if you are using the packets clay, these clay, air dry clay, so firstly you need to clean your hand with the help of soap and water properly. After the cleaning, then you can see the consistency of the clay. Okay, so if I want to make something, like if I want to make a cake with the help of this, so what I will do, I need to knead it. Okay, so knead is compulsory if you want to make it anything. Okay, you can see it took the shape of a circle, right? they will not mix with each other. This is the biggest thing which you found in the air dry clay. Because kneading is compulsory in it. etc. with the help of air dry clay. So I hope you like this and you understand there is nothing which is mixed to each other, like yellow is yellow and white is white. Okay, now I want to show you by cutting. Purchased it from the market.